Hey guys, here's another garden project, and you know I love to recycle things. This is soda cans. I guess they're actually bubbly water cans. Let's cut out all that sugar, we don't need it. But you want to drill some holes in the bottom of your cans, your aluminum cans, and we're going to use those for drainage holes. The idea here is we're making planters. These are little planting cups. Don't mind that airplane. Now we're gonna cut the tops off. You're gonna want some heavy duty scissors, and you're gonna try and cut as close to the top as possible. And once you get the top cut off, then go back and clean up the top edge. You don't want any sharp edges jagging you, like they'll poke you if there's like these little slivers. But once that top has got a clean edge, it's really not that sharp, not as sharp as you would think. So go ahead, cut the tops off all the way around, make them nice and consistent. You're gonna have yourself some free planter pots. I mean, just think, you would have thrown these cans away, or at least in the recycling, I hope. So we're minimizing waste, taking stuff out of landfill, and filling them with land. Look at this. So I've got some compost and soil, topsoil planting mix here mixed together, and we're gonna load these cups up. This is kind of a light mix. We want to give them a head start. We don't want it too runny. There you have it. Cute little colorful little planting cups that I didn't have to pay for because I already drank the drink. Good times. Poke those holes. We're doing sunflowers here. These are the black oil sunflowers from a birdseed mix. And I mean, it's amazing. You can get like a 30-pound bag of this stuff for like $20. So just think of how many seeds you can plant. Our intention is we're going to make these and give them away, and we'll end up planting some of these as well. It's a fun little project with kids. We're just gonna add that dirt, top it off, water it, get them started. Like it's about ready to go. So we're gonna set these off and see what happens. Time passes. Seeds germinate. These germinate really fast, actually. Honestly, this is less than a week, and a couple weeks later we've got very happy little sunflowers. Ironically, probably all the seeds germinated. There are so many in there, but since this is just a little fun project, we're just going to let them go. Yeah, sorry about that airplane. Kind of close to an airport. So here we are a couple of weeks later, and look how much they've grown. So get your buddy, dig a hole. Get my daughter here. She's having fun in the garden. We're gonna dig those holes. Look at that. Probably worked better if she wasn't trying to dig on a cement post filling, but we'll get it. Look at that. Success. Even those little successes feel good. When you're helping Daddy out, it's the best thing in the world. She's learning something right now. Learning about gardening. She'll pass this on to her kids. Dig those holes. So we got a feijoa plant there, and let's see what it looks like in there. You want to squeeze the cans because these are going to be root bound. They've been in there a while. Look at that. It's a little plug shaped like the can, and They're really easy to pull out because it's smooth. Now if we had left the tops on there, that wouldn't have been so easy to pull out. That's why we cut them so they're a straight top. What is this? I found a nail in there. The irony, huh? So we're mixing it in with some topsoil mix and some of the native soil here was a lot more sandy. So we're giving it some more topsoil, some more native soil, mix it all together. I can't believe how many of those are in there. But what the heck, like I said, it's all for fun. Break them up a little bit, see if we can get those roots to separate, get them all invigorated. Get them in the ground. They'll be happy. All right, last one. That squeeze just really helps it just slide right out. If you guys find this video fun or useful or helpful, please hit that like button. Consider signing up to my channel to see other videos, and share with your friends. So here we are a little later. We've got beautiful flowers. Thanks for watching, you guys. Enjoy.